Alright, for all 5 of you who are interested, here's a quick Mustang update. It is March 3rd. I had this air cleaner all painted up the way I wanted, and I was very happy with it. I used the Duplicolor DE1604 Universal Gold. And then I got these valve covers in from Scott Drake, and somebody in one of the groups talked me into painting this air cleaner with the Scott Drake paint. They said it went on like butter, it was really nice. I had an opposite experience. This stuff went on like 250 grit sandpaper. It was an absolute nightmare to try to control. I was constantly tack ragging it, and I couldn't get the color even to save my life. So I'm very unhappy with it. I know I can paint because, you know, I did this circle with Duplicolor. I think it turned out wonderful. I cleared it. I've done other pieces, but yeah, this is just terrible. So I'm gonna not listen to people from now on. I'm gonna go ahead and 400 grit wet sand the entire air cleaner, and I'm gonna do like maybe a 400 or 600 grit on the valve covers and shoot all of this that universal gold. I think it's really pretty. That Duplicolor lays so nice, so it'll all match. But yeah, forget this stuff. I absolutely hate it. I also went ahead and cleaned up and did motor mounts. That was kind of fun. I wasn't gonna do it, but I thought, yeah, it's not a big deal to do, so didn't take long. I just cleaned them with the wire brush and did a quick prep spray on them, VFD high heat primer, and then the Duplicolor, I think it's D1665 semi-gloss black and a clear. And I also did this. This is something I'm very happy with. Is it perfect? No, but it worked out pretty good. This is the glove box lid. The chrome was terrible. One of the users said use the quadruple zero steel wool on it. It'll clean right up. Sure enough, it did. The chrome looks pretty nice on this for a original 1965 glove box lid. The paint was terrible on the inside, and the emblem was very faded. So I popped the old emblem out, and I stripped this with acetone because I didn't want to disturb the texture of the metal. After I did that, I went ahead and shot it with a primer, and then to get this particular black and this sheen, I used this Rust-Oleum Professional Black. It's a flat black, it's an enamel. Did a couple coats of this, and it was just a flat black piece. Then I used this matte clear from Rust-Oleum, and I did a couple coats of this, and this is what I got. I'm very happy with it. And then I ordered this emblem off of eBay. I think with shipping it was like 13, 14 bucks, and popped on a new emblem. I was going to save the old one, but I'm not going to paint this red, white, and blue on here. I'm just not going to do it. So I think it turned out nice. I'm very happy with this piece. Dad would have been happy. And I also found a console on eBay, and it was pickup only in Mississippi, but fortunately I have a pal down in Memphis who was happy to pick it up for me. So he did, he has it, and he's going to be shipping it up. I think I only paid $195 for it, and then plus whatever the shipping is going to be, I'll be in it good. It's in good shape. It needs lid springs, and obviously the chrome needs to be cleaned up, and the black needs to be repainted. But I know the technique I'm going to use to do the black, same thing I did here. So the console is going to match the glove box lid real nice, and I'll have an original 65 console opposed to a repop. Saves some money, and it's kind of cool, I think, to do the whole preservation thing with these little cars. When you can save parts, why not? The only reason I bought these valve covers was because I couldn't find a set of originals. Otherwise I'd have done originals, but these are only $44, and yeah, I figured I could change them out whenever I wanted to. But anyway, that's a quick update vlog for you. March 3rd, 2019. It is like 16 degrees outside. That's a high. It's going to get to like 2 degrees later on. We're nowhere near going out and working on that car. But hopefully soon, hopefully in a couple weeks. I've got a trip I've got to take to Vegas on the 11th. And when I get home on the 14th roughly, we'll see what's going on with the weather. Maybe we can actually get back out to the shop and get to work. That's it. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.